All right, go. I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love.
What happened? Why are you avoiding me?
Nothing. I'm fed up of this relationship.
You're fed up as how? What have I done wrong to you?
I have not done anything. I just want us to be friends.
Are you playing?
How can we be friends?
I mean friend with benefit.
Carry my love away.